Hi, I'm Marlon Ceballos, and in this video, I'll show you a new feature included in the last version of Illustrator. This feature is called Document Clouds. Document clouds are regular Illustrator documents but saved in the remote space in Creative Cloud. Now, I'm in Illustrator, and in this menu, we can see this element cloud document. So I'm gonna click in this element, and all documents found in this area are cloud documents. So that means that I have one document cloud. If I click in this icon, 3 dots, you can see different commands for document clouds. For example, open, rename, delete, and move to or change of location. I'm gonna delete this document, click in this command, and now I'm going to open a local document. I mean a document in my computer. So I'm going to use the Command O shortcut. This is my document. Click open. This is a local document. And now I'm going to convert this document in a cloud document. So I'm going to File menu, Save As command. And in this window, Illustrator asks me if I want to save that document in my computer, a local way, or in the cloud. So I'm gonna to click in this button, Save to Cloud Document, and it's possible to change the name of the file, but it's not necessary in this case. I'm only to click in Save button. If I check this tab where we can find the name of the document, at the left, you can see a little icon. This icon is a cloud. That means that this document is a document cloud. The extension for local Illustrator documents is .ai. This is a cloud document. The extension is .aic. Now, I'm going to make some change in this element. So, for example, I'm going to select this text. I'm going to scale. This is a good scale. I'm going to change, for example, the stroke color. But first, I'm going to save this change. After save this change, I'm going to make an additional change. For example, I'm going to change the stroke color for yellow, for example. Save again. The cloud documents has an autosave function, and we can change the frequency for this autosave. I'm going to open the preference window, Command K or Control K if you're working in Windows. I'm going to select this option or this category, file handling, and we can see this option. This option allows to us define the frequency of this autosave option. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, etc. I'm going to leave the default options. I'm going to close this window, pressing Escape key because I didn't any change. And now I'm going to go to the browser. In the browser, I'm opened this URL, assets.adobe.com. In this URL, you can find different files saved in Creative Cloud remote space. So the default option is Files, and I'm going to click in the Cloud Documents options. You can find in this area different cloud documents created with different applications. For example, these documents are Adobe XD documents. This file is an Photoshop document, and this is our Illustrator document cloud. I'm going to click for open this document, and in this interface you can see the preview of the file, and in the right side we can find mainly 3 icons: comments, info or information about the file, and timeline. I love this option, timeline. I'm going to click, and you can see the different versions of this document. Right now, I have three versions. The first version is in this time, the second version saved in this time, and the last version saved in this time. I'm going to select the first version of this file, and we can see the difference. The second version with this text small, and the last version with this color stroke different, yellow. I'm going to select the first version, click in this icon, three dots, and I have two options. Give a name for this version or revert the file to this version. I'm going to select these options and check. This file was reverted to first version. So now we have an additional version. If I click, it's the same version, or we can see the file the same way that I saw this file in the first version. So if I go to Illustrator and close this document and open again, you can see the revert version. Now I'm going to go to the window menu and I'm going to select version history. And in this panel, I have access to the different versions of this file. For example, I'm going to select this version. You can see the difference in this preview, and click and revert to this version. You can see Illustrator is working right now, reverting this version. Look the different. Again, I'm going to select the first version, and again, I'm going to revert to this version. Again, Illustrator is working, and this is the first version. You can see why I love this feature. Now I'm going to return to the browser, and in this interface, I'm going to click in this button, Comments. Of course, with this option, I can make comments in this document. In this way, I can create a revision workflow. So I'm going to click in this button, Get Link. And this is the link that I get. I can change options for this link with these options. Allow commenting. I'm going to allow commenting and allow save to Creative Cloud. So I'm going to click copy link. I'm going to change to web browser. I'm going to paste this URL in this window, enter. In this browser, I'm Marlon Ceballos, and in this browser, I'm a different person, maybe Juan. So Juan get this link and open this link in this browser, and Juan can make comments in this document. For example, check the colors, submit. I can log in with my Adobe ID, user and password for different Adobe services, or I can work as a guest. I'm gonna work with a guest, so Jose, click continue, and we can see the comment was published. I'm going to return as Marlon Ceballos, and I can see now the comment that made Jose. Of course, I can reply. Please select the problem, submit. I'm going to return to this window, Jose, but I can't see the reply yet. Why? Because I'm a guest. As a guest, I need to refresh the browser. So I'm going to refresh. And now I can see the reply. If you want to avoid refresh the browser, you need to log in with your Adobe ID. It's the better option if you ask me. So these are document clouds in Illustrator. Please take in account that for use this feature, you need to have this version of Illustrator 24.2. If you don't have this version, you need to update Illustrator for work with document clouds. This is all, and thank you for watching this video.